Retirement savings contribution credit, also known as the saver's credit. This is going to be a non-refundable tax credit designed to encourage lower income individuals to save for retirement. Let's think about what's the rationale? The IRS's rationale. Well, generally, more retirement savings, more investing happens, the more, just statistically speaking, the more income someone has. So the IRS, the government, wants to incentivize those with lower incomes, those middle class, lower class, unfortunately, with less money, to save, invest in their retirement. Provides a credit for eligible taxpayers who contribute to qualified retirement accounts, such as IRAs or 401ks. We got contribution limits. The credit is calculated based on contributions up to $2,000 for individuals. The credit percentage depends on the taxpayer's AGI and ranges from 10% to 50%. For single filers, no credit is available if the AGI is over that annually adjusting threshold for this. We got a few requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, not a full-time student, and not a dependent of another taxpayer. So for adults, some credits are for children, dependents. This is going to be mostly for an adult, not a dependent. Let's assume a single filer with an AGI of $20,000 contributes $1,500 to a traditional IRA. And for the year, we're going to assume an AGI cap of $32,500. First step, we're going to determine the applicable credit percentage based on the AGI. Now, for a single filer with an AGI of $20,000, the credit percentage is 50%. Next, we want to calculate the credit amount. We're going to take the $1,500 contribution amount times the 50% credit percentage, and that is going to give us $750. What does that mean? In this example, the taxpayer would be eligible for a $750 retirement savings contribution credit, what a mouthful, on their tax return. So that's kind of nice. It's like a little kicker, a little bonus for you to put money in your retirement account. Note that the credit is non-refundable, meaning it can only reduce the liability to zero, but we cannot get a refund past that. Yeah, and you can generally see it's for lower income, so $32,500, right? That's going to be lower income. Depending on what we see, sometimes we see higher AGIs, lower AGIs in the middle. It just depends on the particular credit. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.